What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got another big one for you. This is the GARVEE 11-liter deep fryer, and I think that's what, 10 quarts, about 3 gallons almost. So quite the large and capable deep fryer for all of your cooking needs and all that stuff. If you want to make wings or chips, nuggets, fries, things like that, this is going to be absolutely awesome for it. You're getting restaurant quality at home, and with that capacity, you can feed the whole family, trust me. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Now, before we get started, and as I'm opening this, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 98.9% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. All right, so I'm actually going to lower the table a bit. I'll put a link to this table in the description below in case you want to pick one of those up. And let's see what's inside the box. So it looks like I'm going to have to take this out kind of sideways. It's a little scary. Let's go ahead and put it back on its front and get rid of all this foam on the sides here. There we go. Looks like this kind of came off a little bit, so let's put that back. There we go. And here it is. So we're going to go ahead and take this top piece off. All right, so that piece is ready. Here we've got some accessories. Let's take a look at what these are. So it looks like these are the handles for the sides. Let me go ahead and show you so that it can be lifted very easily there. So I'll screw those on just in a moment. We also have some rubber pads for the feet, which is going to help my desk from getting all scratched up. I actually don't think I was supposed to take that plastic off, but that's okay. Mine's going to have a unique style. Side, we've got the basket as well as the handle for the basket itself as well. So all you have to do is put it inside of this here, place it in, and then squeeze it again. That way it makes a really strong connection, and now you've got a easy basket holder. Now, the entire thing does come up for cleaning, so if you want to take the inside out, all you have to do is lift this top piece off, and you'll see that the entire induction mechanism here for heating is all on the bottom here, and it has a nice little plate to keep everything from touching. If we go ahead and use these handles, we can pull the actual fryer out. So this is how much space you have in here. You could pretty much make a small turkey in here, I'm not gonna lie. This is massive. Not that I would recommend that, that's extremely dangerous. But you can see that this is actually quite a large and capable machine. So once you want to put it back together, you just place that back inside when it's all clean. You drop this on top, line up the side, and once you've lined them up, it just drops and locks in. Pop, lock, and drop it. Let's go ahead and put this on its side, and I'm going to install the feet and the handles. But yeah, this is obviously my first deep fryer, so I'm still kind of learning, and I'm super excited to try this out. But as far as I could tell, this is a great product, especially with the automatic temperature controls. That seems very useful. All right, so here it is put together. The way this works is we have two handles on the side, so you can lift the whole device. We have the one handle on the top for the cover. This will keep you safe from splashes, things like that. We have the actual basket here, which we can use. So when we drop it in, it'll cook. When we want to take it out, we can actually hook it on here and have it stand and let that kind of like drip and cool off. On the bottom here, we've added the rubber feet to it. And of course, we have the protective grommet here for the actual heat inductors. And yeah, to use this, all you have to do is set the temperature to whatever you want it to, so like 190, and then turn it on. Once it's on, it's actually going to get really hot until, obviously it's going to get hot, it's going to get until that temperature, and then it's actually going to turn yellow and turn itself off, and wait until it kind of cools down. Once it starts cooling down, it's going to turn itself back on and keep itself just around that temperature the entire time, which is super useful. It is a very cool stainless steel design. This is all put together here, and it looks absolutely great. Can't wait to try this out with family. It's a bit overkill for us, but I don't care. It's really cool. Definitely check them out. They're actually really inexpensive. If you have a restaurant or a big family, this could actually come really in handy. I believe it was like 140 to 150, and then on sale it's like 120 to 130. That is an absolute steal for something like this. And they even have double ones as well. But yeah, very cool device. Thank you so much to GARVEE for sending this over, and thank you so much for watching. I'll put a link to purchase this in the description below. Hope you have a good one. Peace.